In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track time on ClickUp, one of the most powerful productivity platforms available for individuals and teams alike. Time tracking inside ClickUp lets you monitor exactly how long tasks take, which helps you bill clients accurately, hit project deadlines, and understand where your hours are actually going. If that sounds useful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. And let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign into ClickUp. Head over to the app and enter your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, there's a generous free tier that gives you access to all the core features including time tracking, so there's no barrier to getting started today. Once you're inside ClickUp, you'll need to navigate to the space, folder, or list that contains the task you want to track time on. ClickUp organizes work in a clear hierarchy. Workspaces sit at the top, then spaces, then folders, then lists, and finally individual tasks. Think of it like a filing cabinet. You're drilling down to find the exact drawer your task lives in. Take a moment to get familiar with the sidebar on the left, because that's your primary navigation tool throughout the platform. When you've found the right list, click the name of the task you want to work on to open it. A task detail panel will slide open, and this is where you'll find everything tied to that specific item: assignees, due dates, attachments, comments, and the time tracking field. Get comfortable with this panel because it's where most of your day-to-day work inside ClickUp will happen. Now look for the time tracking field inside that task window. Depending on how your workspace is configured, it may appear prominently near the top of the task details, or a little further down. It usually carries a small clock icon alongside a label that reads something like time tracked. If you can see it, you're ready to move forward. If the field isn't visible, don't worry, it may simply need to be turned on. Look for the Customize button inside the task panel, click it, and a sidebar will appear listing all the available fields for that list. Find time tracking and toggle it on. This is a per list setting, so you may need to repeat the step for other lists in your workspace. But it only takes a few seconds, and once it's active, the field will appear inside every task in that list from that point on. With the time tracking field visible, click the Start Timer button. It typically looks like a small play icon next to the clock. The moment you click it, ClickUp begins recording the time you spend on this task in real time. You'll often see a small live timer appear in the corner of your screen or in the task header, confirming the clock is running. This timer is tied directly to your user account, so even if you navigate elsewhere in ClickUp, it keeps running in the background. Now simply continue working on the task as you normally would. You don't need to stay on the task page for the timer to keep going. ClickUp tracks time server-side, which means switching tabs or moving to another part of the platform won't interrupt it. That said, it's good practice to keep ClickUp open in a browser tab while you work, just to avoid any rare sync issues. When you've finished your work session, return to the task and click Stop Timer. The time you just recorded will be logged instantly and added to the total duration shown in the time tracking section. You'll see the exact figure right there inside the task, giving you an at-a-glance view of how much time has been invested in that item across all sessions. Of course, sometimes you'll work away from your screen, take a call, or simply forget to start the timer before diving in. That's exactly what manual time entry is for. Click the plus icon next to the time tracking field. It's usually labeled Add Time, and a small form will appear. Enter the number of hours and minutes you worked, and be as precise as you can here, because accurate data is what makes your time reports genuinely reliable later on. While you have that form open, take a moment to add a short description or note explaining what you actually did during that session. Something like Client Revision Round 2 or Drafted Onboarding Email Sequence might feel minor in the moment, but when you're reviewing a report weeks later or explaining a bill to a client, those notes are worth their weight in gold. You should also set the correct date if the work was performed on a previous day rather than today. ClickUp allows you to backdate manual entries, which is a feature most people come to appreciate more than they expect. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save, and the entry is recorded just as cleanly as anything the live timer would have captured. The task's total tracked time will update immediately to reflect it. To get a full picture of all your tracked hours across tasks and projects, open the time tracking report from the sidebar. You'll usually find it under the reporting section. This view shows every time entry ever logged, who logged it, which task it belongs to, and when it happened. You can filter the report by team member, by a specific task or list, or by any date range you choose. That flexibility makes it straightforward to pull together weekly summaries, monthly billing statements, or project-specific breakdowns whenever you need them. When you need to share that data with a client or manager, use the export option to download the report as a spreadsheet. A clean file they can open in Excel or Google Sheets is usually far more useful than a screenshot or a verbal summary. And a final piece of advice worth emphasizing: make reviewing your time reports a regular weekly habit, even if it only takes 10 minutes. Consistent review is what transforms raw logged hours into real insight. You'll start to see which projects consistently run over their estimated time, identify the parts of your week where you're most focused, and make much sharper decisions when planning future work. So that covers everything you need to know about tracking time on ClickUp. From starting the live timer and logging manual entries to filtering your reports, exporting them, and using that data to work smarter. Save this video so you can come back to any step whenever you need a refresher, and I'll see you in the next one.